वालेकुम ब्रदर, इंडिया से पाकिस्तान से?
पाकिस्तान से।
वाह भाई वाह, क्या बात है। क्या आपको पता है कि अगर आप कुरान की करेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ें, इफ़ यू रीड करेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ कुरान, Christ is eternal, Al-Rabb and creator. Do you know that? Even in Quran 9:31, Christ is called Al-Rabb. In 349, he is creator, and his Kalmatullah title proves that he is eternal, according to Quran 3:45. Do you want to read that? मैं भी आप पाकिस्तान से हूँ, अब पढ़ना तो चाहिए, इल्म तो हासिल करना चाहिए।
जी अच्छा, I'll see. अभी I'm going. जुम्मा।
चल ठीक है।
Okay,
If you come back, I will love to talk to you. हम तो पाकिस्तान में भी बात कर सकते हैं, उर्दू में भी। जी। Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is Al-Rabb even in Quran. Christ is eternal even in Quran. Assalamu alaikum, sister. Sister, do you know Christ is creator even in Quran, Al-Rabb and eternal? Do you know that? Christ, yes. If you read the correct translation. You want to read this?
Well, I'm a bit late to prayer.
But you can keep this. It's free.
Oh, so you're giving me one
Yeah.
copy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I got you. Thank you.
Okay. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do you know Christ is creator even in Quran? Al-Rabb, eternal? Do you know that?
Christ is the prophet.
Not just prophet. Kalmatullah, Al-Rabb and creator. Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is Al-Rabb even in Quran. हाँ जी भाई, क्या हाल है? Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is Al-Rabb even in Quran. Christ is eternal even in Quran. Want to read that, brother? उस बर्र की जो ज़बा हुआ है, Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is Al-Rabb even in Quran. Worship the creator, not the creation. Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is God even in Quran. Worship the creator. Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is creator. Worship the creator.
Yes.
Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is creator even in Quran. Christ is Lord even in Quran. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Brother, do you know Jesus is even creator in Quran? Lord, creator, God.
I know, brother.
Do you know that?
Yeah.
Which reference is that? Do you know?
But we respect him, man.
There's a Quran 9:31 says he is Lord. Quran 3:49 says he is creator. And his title, Kalmatullah, is a divine title.
What do you mean creator?
Creator, Khalik, who created everything.
Christ?
Yes, even in Quran.
I don't think
Do you want to read that? Those references? Actually, you are reading those references with the wrong translations.
Maybe.
That is why you need to read the correct translation.
Maybe.
Do you know he is Kalmatullah in Quran?
Let me do prayer and come back.
Oh yes, please. I'm waiting for you. Thank you.